This is a brand new 2012 Ram truck. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 6-cylinder engine, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, an anti-lock braking system, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.